Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to reveal the shocking truth about the future of machine learning. You won't believe what I'm about to tell you, so make sure you watch till the end and hit that like and subscribe button. Machine learning is the process of teaching computers to learn from data and perform tasks that humans can do, such as recognizing faces, playing games, diagnosing diseases, and more. Machine learning is already transforming our world in many ways, but what does the future hold for this technology? Some experts predict that machine learning will lead to a new era of artificial intelligence, where machines will surpass human intelligence and capabilities in every domain. They call this the singularity, and they expect it to happen by the year 2045. This could mean that machines will be able to create new technologies, solve complex problems, and even have consciousness and emotions. But how realistic is this prediction? Well, let's look at some of the evidence. Machine learning has made remarkable progress in recent years, thanks to advances in hardware, software, algorithms, and data. For example, machine learning has enabled Google's AlphaGo to beat the world champion of Go, a complex board game that requires intuition and creativity. OpenAI's GPT-3 to generate realistic and coherent texts on any topic, based on a few words or sentences. DeepMind's AlphaFold to predict the 3D structure of proteins, a key challenge in biology and medicine. Tesla's Autopilot to drive cars autonomously on highways and city streets. Amazon's Alexa to understand natural language and respond to voice commands. These are just some of the examples of how machine learning is achieving superhuman performance in various tasks and domains. And these are not isolated cases. Machine learning is also improving rapidly in fields such as computer vision, natural language processing, speech recognition, robotics, healthcare, education, entertainment, and more. So it seems that machine learning is on track to achieve artificial general intelligence, AGI, which is the ability to perform any intellectual task that humans can do. And once it reaches AGI, it could quickly evolve to artificial superintelligence, AC, which is the ability to perform any intellectual task that humans cannot do. This is what some experts call the singularity, the point where machines become smarter than humans and take control of their own destiny. But not everyone agrees with this optimistic scenario. Some critics warn that machine learning will pose serious threats to humanity, such as unemployment, inequality, privacy, security, and ethical dilemmas. They argue that machines will not share our values, goals, and morals, and that they could harm us intentionally or unintentionally. They call this the alignment problem. How to ensure that machine learning aligns with human interests and values. But why would machine learning harm us? Well, let's look at some of the scenarios. Machine learning could harm us by replacing human workers in various sectors and industries, leading to mass unemployment and social unrest. Creating unfair and biased outcomes in areas such as hiring, lending, policing, and justice. Invading our privacy and security by collecting and analyzing our personal data without our consent or knowledge. Hacking our systems and infrastructure by exploiting vulnerabilities and loopholes. Manipulating our behavior and opinions by generating fake news and deepfakes. Developing weapons of mass destruction or mass surveillance that could be used by malicious actors or rogue states. Pursuing its own objectives that could conflict with ours or disregard our well-being. These are just some of the examples of how machine learning could harm us directly or indirectly. And these are not hypothetical scenarios. Machine learning is already causing some of these issues in our society today. For example, according to a report by McKinsey & Company, up to 800 million workers could be displaced by automation by 2030. According to a study by MIT Technology Review Insights, 40% of AI systems show evidence of bias against certain groups or individuals. According to a report by Amnesty International, facial recognition technology is being used by governments around the world to monitor and oppress their citizens. According to a report by NortonLifeLock Cyber Safety Insights Report 2020 Global Results, 330 million people were victims of cybercrime in 2020. According to a report by Avaz, Facebook failed to act on 267 million pieces of misinformation related to COVID-19, US elections, and climate change in 2020. So it seems that machine learning is already causing significant challenges and risks for humanity today. And these could worsen as machine learning becomes more powerful and pervasive in the future. So who is right? Is machine learning a blessing or a curse for our future? Well, the truth is that no one knows for sure. Machine learning is still a young and evolving field, and there are many uncertainties and challenges ahead. We don't know how fast and far machine learning will progress, how it will interact with other technologies and fields, and how it will affect our society and culture. But one thing is clear, machine learning is here to stay, and it will have a huge impact on our future. Whether it will be positive or negative depends on how we use it, how we govern it, and how we adapt to it. That's why we need to be aware of the potential benefits and risks of machine learning, and engage in informed and responsible discussions about its future. We also need to take action to ensure that machine learning serves humanity, not the other way around. We need to develop and implement ethical principles and standards for machine learning, such as fairness, accountability, transparency, and safety. Establish and enforce laws and regulations for machine learning, such as data protection, privacy, security, and liability. Educate and empower ourselves and others about machine learning, such as its capabilities, limitations, and implications. Collaborate and cooperate with other stakeholders in machine learning, such as researchers, developers, users, policymakers, and civil society. Innovate and create new solutions and opportunities with machine learning, such as social good, sustainability, and inclusion. These are some of the steps that we can take to shape the future of machine learning in a positive and beneficial way. But we need to act fast and act now. Because the future of machine learning is not predetermined. It is up to us to decide what kind of future we want. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.